Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, today I want to make you a nice, lovely, fresh cucumber water. Cucumber water is like for summer, and also in summer, everyone is happy and love these things. All right, guys. So first thing we're going to do is simple. I know I did not wash my vegetable, but I'm gonna show you exactly what's happening in the kitchen today with Chef Ricardo. All right, so first thing, let's go into business. This is the cucumber and the water. So what I'm gonna do, I want to say, to be honest, I have a lot of water right here, so I'm gonna get rid of some of my water. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do is this: cut my cucumber into half, and then next thing, some slices. This is amazing. This is amazing. So first thing we're gonna do next is to put my cucumber straight inside of this jug right here. All I'm going to do is put some slices of the cucumber into the jug water, just like this. And I know it's gonna be refreshing and nice. But not only that, you can also put lemon, fresh mint, apple cider vinegar, you name it. You want to lose weight? This is what I'm talking about right here. So this is in the back garden with Chef Ricardo, showing you guys how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, fresh cucumber water. It's amazing. And all I'm going to do is just put some fresh slices of cucumber straight inside of the water like this. And as you can see, exactly what happened right here, start to froth already. So it's gonna be an amazing drink, guys. Nice one. Oh, that look, it's amazing. I can't believe. Anyway, so this is exactly what we're gonna do now. So what we're gonna do is take it and I'm gonna just lift it just like this, and everything gonna be coming at the back, the top of it, just like this. Look at that. Amazing, guys. You see that? Lovely and nice. But as I say, not only that, you can also put lemon, orange, even pineapple inside of it. Melon, whatever you like, you can put inside of it, guys. It's just amazing. But as I say, you can put apple cider vinegar, fresh mint, a lot more stuff inside of this water. You can drink it for the summer. Weight loss drink, healthy, good for you, keep you fit, keep your immune system clean out. And that's what we're talking about today. So welcome back with Chef Ricardo. We love you guys. Thank you for tuning into Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. Anthony, big up yourself.